For centuries, humanity has pondered a profound question. But what if the answer is far more terrifying than we imagine? Our universe is vast, filled with billions of galaxies, each home to countless stars. Many could host planets. So, where is everyone? This is the Fermi Paradox, the great cosmic silence. Physicist Enrico Fermi first posed this chilling question in 1950. A simple lunch conversation, a profound mystery. The Drake equation suggests millions of intelligent civilizations should exist in our galaxy alone. Yet, we detect no signals, no probes, no evidence of life beyond Earth. Only silence. Perhaps Earth is incredibly rare. A perfect storm of conditions making complex life possible. Or, a great filter exists. A barrier preventing civilizations from reaching interstellar travel. Or the filter lies ahead, advanced civilizations inevitably destroy themselves through war, pollution, or technology. Could rogue artificial intelligence be the ultimate filter, wiping out its creators? A chilling thought. Perhaps they are here, watching us like animals in a cosmic zoo, refusing to interfere. Or worse, the dark forest theory, every civilization hides, fearing detection from hostile entities. Maybe one dominant, ancient civilization has already conquered the galaxy, silencing all others. What if alien life is simply too different? Beyond our comprehension or detection methods? Their language, their technology, their very existence could be utterly alien to us. The universe is immense. Civilizations rise and fall. We might simply be too far, too late. Perhaps humanity is incredibly early. The first intelligent life to emerge in our corner of the cosmos. Despite the silence, the search continues. SETI programs scan the skies for any sign. Powerful new telescopes like James Webb peer deeper, seeking exoplanets capable of harboring life. We seek biosignatures, atmospheric clues that betray the presence of biological processes. If we are alone, it places an immense responsibility on humanity. We are everything. If we are not alone, the discovery would redefine our place in the universe forever. Our future lies among the stars, carrying our hopes and fears into the deep unknown. The drive to explore, to understand, is fundamental to who we are as a species. The Fermi Paradox remains. A profound question echoing through the silent cosmos. Are we listening correctly? Or are we simply not looking in the right places? One day, that silence may break. And humanity will face its greatest discovery, or its greatest fear. But what if the filter isn't in our past? What if the greatest challenges still lie ahead for all civilizations? Many theories suggest the great filter might be an obstacle yet to be overcome by any advanced civilization. Or perhaps through irreversible environmental collapse, depleting their planet's vital resources beyond recovery. Some fear the rise of superintelligent AI could be the filter, either turning on its creators or becoming indifferent. Interstellar expansion requires immense resources. Could the energy costs be too high, leading to societal collapse? What if they exist, but our current understanding of detection is fundamentally flawed or intentionally misled? The zoo hypothesis suggests advanced civilizations are aware of us, but choose not to interfere. They might be observing our development, adhering to a prime directive of non-intervention until we mature. A darker variant, the planetarium hypothesis, posits we live in a simulation created by an advanced civilization. The chilling, dark forest theory offers a different reason for silence, fear and extreme caution. In a universe where intentions are unknown, any civilization announcing its presence risks immediate, existential threat. Therefore, the safest strategy for survival is to remain utterly silent, hidden, and never reveal your location. Perhaps the path to advanced intelligence is far more improbable than we've ever imagined. The rare Earth hypothesis argues Earth-specific conditions for complex life are exceptionally unique, not common. A stable planetary environment, shielded from frequent, civilization-ending asteroid bombardments, might be incredibly rare. Even within a galaxy, only a narrow, galactic habitable zone offers enough stability and necessary elements. What if civilizations, once established, simply don't last long enough to achieve interstellar travel? Internal strife, resource depletion, or unforeseen catastrophes could limit their lifespan to a cosmic blink. The universe is still relatively young. Perhaps conditions suitable for complex life have only recently stabilized. While the universe is ancient, the window for complex chemistry and stable planetary systems might be quite recent. If we are truly alone, the responsibility to preserve life and intelligence falls solely on our shoulders. The search continues, with projects like SETI tirelessly listening for any whisper across the cosmic ocean. Next-generation telescopes are now analyzing exoplanet atmospheres for biosignatures, tantalizing indicators of life. Humanity's drive to explore and understand the universe remains undimmed, pushing us ever outwards. The Fermi Paradox endures, a profound silence echoing through the cosmos, challenging our most fundamental assumptions. Is it a testament to our uniqueness, a warning of dangers ahead, or simply a matter of perception? The answer, perhaps the most significant discovery in human history, awaits us, somewhere out there. Perhaps the filter lies not in our past, but in our future. A self-inflicted barrier. Unchecked growth, resource depletion, and environmental collapse could be universal pitfalls. Or perhaps advanced artificial intelligence, a creation meant to serve, becomes our undoing. Many civilizations might simply reach a technological peak, then fade into cosmic dust. What if they are here, silently observing us, adhering to a galactic prime directive? The zoo hypothesis suggests we are an experimental preserve, an uncontacted species. Their technology might be so advanced, we wouldn't even recognize their presence. They could be harnessing entire stars, operating on scales incomprehensible to us. Or perhaps they exist entirely within simulated realities, transcending physical forms. The simulation hypothesis posits our entire universe is a computer program. Our search efforts, like SETI, are limited by technology, funding, and assumptions. We only listen for radio signals, assuming that's how advanced civilizations communicate. They might use communication methods we haven't even conceived of yet. The galaxy is immense. Finding a single signal is like finding a specific grain of sand. Civilizations rise and fall. We might simply have missed them in time, not space. The window of opportunity for contact could be incredibly narrow, a cosmic blink. Intelligence might not even reside in organic forms, but in vast, self-aware machines. Their form of consciousness or society might be utterly alien, beyond our comprehension. Maybe the silence is not empty, but filled with information we simply cannot decode. The Fermi Paradox forces us to confront our place in the universe. Are we alone? It inspires us to push the boundaries of science and develop new ways to listen. It compels us to explore, to become a multiplanetary species ourselves. With every new exoplanet, the odds of life seem to increase, deepening the mystery. Ultimately, humanity might be the answer to the paradox, spreading life across the stars. But first, we must overcome our own challenges and ensure our long-term survival. A species that can solve its own problems might truly be ready for interstellar contact. The silence is deafening, yet it is also an invitation, a challenge to our intellect. The search continues, for answers, for connection, for our place among the stars. The sheer scale of the cosmos suggests life should be abundant, yet silence persists. Billions of Earth-like planets exist. Many could harbor conditions for life to emerge. The journey from simple cells to intelligent civilizations is fraught with many evolutionary hurdles. The Fermi Paradox forces us to confront our place, or lack thereof, in the universal tapestry. One compelling explanation is the Great Filter, a barrier almost impossible for life to overcome. Perhaps the filter is behind us, the incredibly unlikely emergence of life itself. Or maybe the leap to complex, multicellular organisms is the rare event. Environmental stability is crucial. Many planets may lose their habitability too quickly. Some argue the development of advanced intelligence, like our own, is extraordinarily rare. But what if the filter lies ahead, a challenge we have yet to face? Many fear self-destruction through war, a technological capability we already possess. Or perhaps civilizations inevitably collapse under resource strain, pollution, or climate change. Could artificial superintelligence be the filter, leading to outcomes we cannot comprehend? Advanced civilizations might transcend their physical forms, existing in non-observable states. The zoo hypothesis suggests they know of us, but choose not to interfere. Perhaps we are part of a cosmic reserve, carefully monitored until deemed ready. They might be too far, their signals too faint, their existence too brief. Our search for radio signals might be fundamentally flawed, looking for the wrong things. Advanced civilizations might harness energy in ways we cannot yet detect or imagine. The answer could be profoundly simple: we are early, pioneers in a young universe. Perhaps the conditions for life to flourish have only recently become widespread. The rarity of our existence, the possibility of being truly unique, is humbling. If we are alone, it places immense responsibility on humanity to protect life. The search continues, driven by curiosity and the profound desire for cosmic connection. Every new discovery, every exoplanet found, refines our understanding of life's potential. The silence of the cosmos is not an answer, but an ongoing question. Whether we find others or not, our journey through the stars has just begun. The Fermi Paradox reminds us of life's preciousness, both here and potentially elsewhere. The ultimate answer may lie not out there, but within our own future.